When we talk about cryptocurrency, many people think of a complicated, risky world reserved for computer experts. Some even say, it's too late for me, I don't understand anything, it's too expensive, and on top of that, it pollutes. But the truth is, crypto is evolving at an incredible speed. Each problem gradually finds a solution, and these innovations make crypto simpler and more accessible. Today, we're going to look at 5 innovations that will make even beginners love crypto. Stay tuned until the end, because the last innovation could completely change your perception of this world. Innovation 1. Layer 2S, fast and almost free transactions. On Ethereum just a few years ago, sending €50 could cost €30 in fees. A real barrier. Simple explanation. Layer 2S, like Bitcoin's Lightning Network or Ethereum's Arbitrum, Optimism, ZK rollups. Process transactions off the main blockchain, then only record the result. Impact. Fees divided by 100, speed multiplied by 10. For a beginner, what does that mean? No more fear of huge fees or waiting several minutes. Sending crypto becomes as smooth as a PayPal payment. Innovation 2. Wallets with social recovery. No more fear of losing your keys. Did you know that it's estimated that over 20% of mined bitcoins are lost forever, simply because people have misplaced their private keys? Explanation. With social wallets, you set up guardians such as friends, family, or even a second device that can help you regain access if you lose your keys. Example, Argent Wallet or Safe. For a beginner, this is reassuring. No more constant fear of losing everything because of a forgotten password. Innovation 3. Next generation stablecoins, stress-free crypto. Bitcoin can lose or gain 20% in a single day. Imagine receiving your salary in Bitcoin and seeing your purchasing power disappear the next day. Solution: stablecoins like USDT, USDC, but also hybrid algorithmic ones like Frax or DJED. Concrete example: you can receive €100 in stablecoin today and be sure that tomorrow it's still worth €100. Result: stablecoins are already used to send money internationally because they avoid bank fees and volatility. For a beginner, it's the simplest way to get into crypto without taking risks. Innovation 4. Interoperability, connecting all blockchains together. Today, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies, but many blockchains don't talk to each other. It's like having the internet, but separated into hundreds of networks with no connection. Solution: projects like Polkadot, Cosmos, Layer 0. Concrete example: with Polkadot, you can transfer a token from blockchain A to blockchain B without going through a centralized platform. For a beginner, that means less confusion and more simplicity. A connected crypto universe, where everything works together. Innovation 5. Proof of stake and green energy, eco-responsible crypto. A common criticism: Bitcoin consumes more energy than an entire country like Argentina. Answer: transition to proof of stake. Ethereum reduced its energy consumption by 99.9% in September 2022. Example: Cardano, Solana, Algorand. Bonus: mining with green energy like solar, wind, or hydro. For a beginner who cares about the environment, this is a strong argument. Crypto is becoming greener and more responsible. So, you see, today's crypto is not yesterday's crypto. Thanks to innovations like Layer 2S, smart wallets, stablecoins, interoperability, and proof of stake, it's becoming simpler, faster, safer, and more eco-friendly. The question is, no longer, will crypto become mainstream? But rather, when will you take the plunge? And you, which of these 5 innovations makes you want to try crypto the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. See you soon on CryptoSavoir.